If Sketchup is showing the exceeded allowed activations error, don't worry. This usually means your license is still active on another computer or on an older version of Sketchup that was never signed out properly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it, how to deauthorize old devices, and what to do if you're stuck waiting for the 48-hour reset cycle. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, it helps to understand why this happens. A single-user SketchUp subscription usually allows activation on up to 2 computers. So if you install SketchUp on a new device without signing out of the old one, or if you've used multiple versions like 2023 and 2024 on different machines, you can hit this activation limit. The good news is that the fix is usually simple. The fastest method is to go directly to the Trimble account management portal. Open your browser and log in with the same account that you use for SketchUp. Once you're inside, look for My Products. Click that, then select View Included Applications. From there, find Manage Devices. This is where you can see the computers currently tied to your license. Click Deauthorize All to remove the existing device activations from your account. This is the most effective way to clear the error when you no longer have access to the old computer, or when you just want a clean reset. After you do that, go back to SketchUp on your computer and sign out locally if you're still logged in. If SketchUp opens, click the person icon in the top right corner and sign out completely. Then close SketchUp, reopen it, and sign back in with your Trimble account. That fresh sign-in should reactivate the software without the error. Another way to get to the same place is from the error message itself. If the activation warning appears, look for the Manage Activations button in the dialog box. Click it, and SketchUp will take you directly to the account portal where you can follow the same device management steps. This is especially useful if you want the quickest path without searching through menus. Now, if you are still able to open SketchUp, it's always a good idea to sign out locally before making account changes. Again, click the person icon in the top right, choose Sign Out, and then restart the application. This helps make sure the license refreshes properly when you log back in. Keep in mind that if you're using a single-user subscription, you can only have the license activated on up to 2 computers at one time. So if you've recently upgraded your laptop, reinstalled Windows, or moved SketchUp to a different machine, that may be the reason the activation limit was reached. In that case, deauthorizing old devices is the right solution. But there is one more thing to know. If you cannot deauthorize the old activations right away, SketchUp may require you to wait for a 48-hour cycle to pass before the activation clears automatically. That can be frustrating, but it usually resolves itself once the time window resets. So if the portal won't let you remove the device instantly, give it some time and try again later. To recap, the best fix is to log into the Trimble portal, open My Products, choose View Included Applications, go to Manage Devices, and use Deauthorize All if needed. Then sign out of SketchUp locally and sign back in to refresh the activation. If the system still blocks you, wait for the 48-hour reset cycle and try again. If this video helped you fix the SketchUp exceeded allowed activations error, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.